Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get verified on Instagram for free. Let's launch the Instagram app and let me show you where this hidden feature will change the game for you, okay? First thing, you want to hit the lower right corner at your profile picture. When you're at your landing page on your account, you want to click on the upper right corner at the three straight lines. Then I want you to go ahead and click on settings and privacy. Now, because Meta updated the whole version, things are a little complicated, so I'm gonna give you a shortcut, okay? Go up on the search bar and type verification, okay? You wanna click on request verification. Very easy, very simple, guys. So this is how you're going to get the free check mark, okay? The free verification, and we're not talking about paying for your check mark. You're gonna fill up all this information and you're going to submit the information with the link, with all the requirements that they want from you, okay? Don't skip any line, include everything that they want, and you're going to get verified for free. Your account will get recommended and you're gonna generate a lot more followers, a lot more views, and your account most likely gonna get much more traction. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.